shift up a gear and let her rip. Oh boy. Ah. Welcome folks, Flipknot here, back at it again, heading over to Jared Williams' house. We're gonna go grab a bite to eat. We're not doing anything special today, but I'm bringing you along because I need to make videos, and more importantly than having to make videos, I need to get back into the routine of making videos. It's my bigger problem. Those 2 weeks off were fantastic, but it's hard to get back on this horse. I'm running a little late because I'm still waiting for that stupid 360 Max GoPro that should have been here 2 days ago. You know, I can't really complain about like shipping problems right now because there's a lot of shipping problems for the last year, which to me is just a general question of, I understand that everybody says 2-day shipping now and that's the general norm in that industry, but the situation of the last year and everybody understanding, I should have taken the flash, like god damn it, but everybody understanding the general situation of the last year, can't we just be like, hey man, 3 to 5 days due to, you know, shipping problems. Sorry, best we can do, instead of disappointing everybody. Like when you go pick up a pizza and they tell you it's gonna be 15 minutes, it ends up being 45. You're like, oh. You just get hangry. Prior to leaving the house, the general conversation I had with Jared was, maybe we're not gonna take motorcycles this time. Maybe. It's a 50-50, who knows? There's just something that deserves a little bit more appreciation in this world. Every time you see one of these in person, you're just like, oh girl, that's nice. You know, you don't have to love it. You don't have to want one, but you can appreciate it visually. There's also a certain amount of the mechanics of it that I appreciate and honestly kind of terrify me when you think about it. Let's just go hang out at Jared's house and see what happens next. Need a hand, buddy? Shut up, Delby Offer.
Goodbye.
I'm coming as fast as I can, kind of. You're the one who made a thumbnail of you and Daisy Duke, so...
Alright, so I need your hands. We could possibly do this. There's nowhere in any manual or nowhere in any video of anybody changing a cam tensioner with the cam chain still on. What are you looking for? Shelby?
Instagram.
Oh.
Coming over to hang out with Jared today, and as soon as I roll up to his house, I see that.
My Harley's taking a nap.
It's a side sleeper. Not something you see every day.
Yeah. So, let me show you something.
Yeah, but then you said thumbnails, so now I gotta think of it.
So,
have you decided how we're gonna get it down?
Oh, we can get it down. No big deal. I'm just happy that that table is there. Because I've got to rotate this spring straight. So we go down in there, and I'll slide in.
This is just amazing and fun. I'm sorry. It's not every day something like this happens. I'm getting a camera.
That's fine. I would really like to get this cam tensioner back on before I
Lose your temper?
don't lose my temper. I'm frustrated.
In the words of Michael Stipe, before you lose your religion?
Yeah. I could do it the right way, but it's like a 4-hour job doing it the right way.
All right, so just hold here.
So, yes, hold pressure here.
Guys, I think we did it. I think we did it.
We did do it.
I'd hug you and jump up and down, but you're
I'm
bare
pretty
skinned
gross.
and yeah. But we did it.
That's it. When it did fall on the side, it was made it a lot easier to work on. That's why I didn't try to pick it up immediately.
Kids, the only way to get anywhere in life is with being stubborn.
Stupid. I hate Harleys.
Before the Harley failure of Mr. Weems over here, we were already going to do something else. I actually thought we might have actually taken the motorcycles, but instead we're going to take a 65 Mustang. Yeah, classic cars are awesome. I don't understand why nobody likes them on motorcycle YouTube channels. I don't get it. Nobody watches it. Look at this thing.
Pretend like you just started.
Yep. Did you say it was like the first year or whatever?
Very first production year, yep.
That's right.
The,
Drum brakes.
drum brakes, no power steering. Carbureted.
Alright, well, we made it. This car's awesome. Yeah, let's go.
Time to get some food.
Grub a dub dub. I'm hungry. Let's go. That is so
Good
awesome.
job not crashing.
Almost.
Almost crashed. You ain't used to the no power steering and no power brakes. Keys?
Doesn't work, remember?
It does work.
Whoops. Keys. Keys are a good idea. When you live the fob life. You know, most people would think that knowing the owners and the management staff at a place is a good thing. They start treating you like crap. That's what happens. See, there's no service. Oh my God, how hard is it to get service here? I'd say I'd tell your owner, but he'd already give me the finger on the way out. I love this place. This place is amazing. I love this place.
Oh, it's so good. I'm full.
Uh-huh. You gonna flip a coin to see who drives the car again?
I want to drive.
Well, you own it.
I never drive it though.
Whose fault is that?
Mine?
Yeah.
I'll show you how to drive a Mustang. How about
All
that?
right, show me how to drive a Mustang.
We're gonna go like hot rod style. All right, let's show Flip how to drive a Mustang.
All right, dude, show me how to. Oh.
Let me show Flip how to hot wire a Mustang.
Okay.
Come on.
Always a good thing to learn how to do in life.
Hot wiring a car. that's not good.
Nothing like making you feel better about humanity when there's still some good Samaritans in the world.
Yeah, man.
But at the same time, I don't know if it was more just wanted to come near the car.
Check out the car. Yeah.
But thanks, buddy. Let's try to make today end on a good note.
That's it, man. It's been a lot of craziness, right? Motorcycles taking naps, cars taking naps.
When you're a little short on your turn radius, just kick out the back. You know what I love about Brandon? Is that when you see somebody on a lawnmower, you don't know if they're cutting their grass or going to a gas station to pick up more beer.
And get more gas in their in their lawnmower.
And going to the bar. I gotta date my bass gal and we're gonna go grab a beer.
When's the last time she got warm? That's why I gotta take her out every so often.
Don't touch metal, don't touch metal. Apparently at Jared's local brewery, he's got his own locker where he keeps his mug. You know they give those to you like for free, you just gotta return it. Alright, now that I've sufficiently broken all of Jared's toys today, I'm gonna call it a video. So, folks, you know how this works, so don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I'll catch you on the flip side.